Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope all are doing well. Today we'll discuss about factory tour or factory walkthrough, which help to gather objective evidence to support audit findings and to understand actual practice at ground level. The agenda for today's training session are: what is factory tour, why factory tour is important, how to conduct factory tour, what is the photo taking expectations, what are the common mistakes in factory tour. Now let's discuss all the points in details. What is factory tour? By incorporating a factory tour into the audit process, auditor can gain a comprehensive understanding of the factory's operations, ensuring that all the aspects of production meet the necessary standards and regulations. Next, why factory tour is important? Let's discuss one by one. Quality assurance is allows auditor to directly observe the manufacturing processes, ensuring that quality control measures are being followed and that the final product meet the required standards. Compliance verifications. Auditor can verify that the factory complies with legal regulations, industry standards, and ethical practices, including environmental regulations, labor laws, and safety standards. Supply chain transparency. A factory tool provides transparency across the entire supply chain, from raw material to finished product. This helps build trust with the customer and stakeholders. Identifying inefficiencies. By observing the production processes in real time, auditor can identify any inefficiencies or areas for improvement, which can help reduce production cost and improve overall operational efficiency. Workplace environment. It allows auditor to assess the working conditions and ensure they are ethical and up to the international labor standard. Data collection. Auditors can gather first-hand data and insight which are crucial for accurate reporting and making informed recommendations. Next, we'll discuss on how to conduct factory tour step by step. First, preparation for factory tour. Safety gears. Ensure you have all necessary personal protective equipment, that is PPE, such as hats, safety glasses, ear protection, gloves, steel-toed boots, etc. Next, checklist. Create a detailed checklist that includes specific areas to inspect, such as production lines, storage areas, and maintenance room. Includes items like cleanliness, equipment conditions, and safety compliance. Factory layout. Let Get the factory layout from the factory to get the idea about floor plan and decide the sequence of floor visit, so no area is skipped during the factory tour. Process flow. Get the process flow chart from the factory to get our idea about the processes and decide low and high risk production areas, which help in efficient factory tour. Next is the initial walkthrough. Generating initial walkthrough the facility without focusing on specific details initially. Look for any obvious hazards like spill, clutters, or blocked exits. Employees interaction. Engage with employees to understand their daily challenges and any safety or operational concern they might have. This can provide valuable insights that are not immediately visible. The walkthrough ideally should be done according to the production flow like starting from raw material storage to storage of finished product. Or it should be done according to the floor plan to save the time. Next is the detailed inspection that include equipments. Condition. Check for sign of wear and tear, rust or damage. Ensure all safety guards are in place and functioning. There is no immediate risk in handling the equipments. Maintenance records. Review maintenance log to ensure regular servicing is being conducted as per the schedule plan. Next, detailed inspection of the processes. Workflow. Observe the efficiency of workflows. Look for bottlenecks or areas where processes can be streamlined. No mixing of material or product in the lines. Compliance. Ensure all processes comply with industry standard and safety regulations. Next thing is to cover in detail inspection is safety measures. Emergency exit. Verify that all emergency exits are clearly marked and unobstructed. No metal stored on the pathways of emergency exist. Also, exits are unlocked. Fire safety. Check the availability and condition of fire extinguishers, sprinkler, and alarms. Check those are regularly checked or not. First aid. Ensure first aid kits are accessible and fully stocked. No expired item in it. Next major part to cover in Factory Tool is documentation review. Notes. Keep detailed notes of any issues, including the location, nature of problem, and potential solutions. Photos. Take photos to document specific concern if permitted. This can help in creating a visual records for your report. Finally, summarize the observation made in the Factory Tool report. Compile your findings into a comprehensive report. Include photos, notes, and any recommendations for improvements, which can be later shared with the auditee and customers. Action plan. Develop a clear action plan to address identified concerns, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines for resolving issues. Review. Schedule review or follow-up inspection to ensure that corrective actions have been implemented and are effective. Now have a quick look at the photo taking requirements. Digital or other photography may only be taken with the consent of the client or factory management. Photos will be taken to add value and should support findings. All digital pictures should be taken on lowest possible resolution for easy reporting. Last agenda of this session is common mistake in the factory tool. If we eliminate these mistakes, audit will be more meaningful, accurate, and can be done safely. Lack of preparations, insufficient safety gear, not providing necessary personal protective equipment such as hard hats, safety glasses, or ear protection can lead to safety hazards. No safety briefing. Skipping a safety briefing can leave visitors unaware of potential hazards and emergency procedures. Not understanding the factory layout. Started the factory tour without getting the idea about the floor plan and process can result safety issues. Next is poor communications. Unclear objectives, not clearly communicating the purpose and goals of the tour can lead to confusion and a lack of focus. Inadequate instructions. Failing to give clear instruction on where visitors can and cannot go can result in safety risks and disruption. Neglecting safety protocols. Restricted areas. Allowing access to the restricted areas or hazardous areas without proper precaution can lead to accident. Inadequate supervisions. Not supervising visitors closely can result in safety breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive areas. Lack of engagement. Lack of engagement or interactions. A dull, monotonous walk through without interacting people can make the tour uninteresting. Use interactive elements and put questions to keep auditee engaged and aware of the process. No demonstration. Skipping the live demonstration of key processes can make the tool less impactful and harder to understand the actual practice. Last part is poor follow-up. No feedback collection. Failing to collect feedback from the employees can prevent you from identifying areas for improvement. Ignoring feedback. Not acting on feedback can lead to repeated mistake and a lack of continuous improvements. Thank you. That's all from today. To get regular updates about different audit standards and regulations, please like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.